Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, your one-stop guide for all the English literature exam. So today I'm going to talk about such an examination that is GATE English Literature exam. So this year's GATE exam is only 1 month away and we have so much to prepare for. So I thought why not to make a video and talk to you guys about what approach should we have towards this exam, what kind of questions we can expect in this particular exam, and at the end what is the benefit of this exam if we able to crack this. So please grab a notebook and let's get started with this video about GATE English Literature exam. So GATE, or the Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, has introduced English literature as a subject for the students who are aspiring to pursue their post-graduation degree or for their PhD degree. So this whole GATE exam was conducted for the English literature students such as to test their in-depth knowledge about literature and all about the critical theories. So here in this exam, we are going to face some objective type of question and some lengthy subjective type of question from which we'll have to extract our one-line answer. So this whole exam was designed such as to test the in-depth knowledge of our literature subject and in-depth analysis that we have regarding our critical theory. Now, let's see what was the question pattern of the GATE English Literature and in how many sections our paper will be divided into. So, mostly 3 sections are there, that is General Aptitude section and Reasoning Comprehension and then our core paper. So, if we first talk about the General Aptitude section, that is denoted by GA, there will be 15 marks in total and it will be mostly on MCQs type, where 5 questions will be of 1 mark and 5 questions will be of 2 marks. So, in total it becomes 15 marks. Okay, but please remember that in MCQ types of questions there is negative marking, whereas in MSQ and NAT type of question there will be no negative marking, about which I'll be talking later. About these types of question I'll be talking about later, but please remember that in General Aptitude question there will be 15 mark and mostly in MCQ type of questions there is negative marking. If we now talk about the Reasoning and Comprehension section, that is denoted by for our paper XHB1, and 25 marks in total will be there in this section. So 5 questions of 1 mark will be there and 10 questions of 2 mark will be there. So in total it becomes 25 marks. Next, let's move forward and talk about our core paper. So for our English literature subject, our core paper was denoted by XHC2, which was of 60 marks in total. So 20 questions will be of 1 mark and 20 questions will be of 2 marks. So in total it becomes 60 marks, and if you count all the marks in the all 3 sections, then it will be of 100 marks. So now that you know the marking system, here are some tips like avoid the guesswork on MCQs, because negative marking can pull down your score. So attempt only when you are confident enough. Next, prioritize this NAT and MSQ type. These have no negative marking, so attempt them even you are unsure. And please allocate time wisely between the General Aptitude and Literature section to ensure that you don't leave questions unanswered, and ensure accuracy in 1 mark questions since they add up quickly. So, as we already talked about each section of the exam and how many marks are attributed to each section, now let's move forward and talk about the type of questions that will be asked in the exam. So, there are mostly 3 type of questions that was asked in the exam. The first type of question was MCQ, or the multiple choice question. So these type of question will test our conceptual clarity and our memory. So expect questions like based on literary terms, literary genres, published years, or the years when some author got some Nobel Prize or some other prizes. So expect questions like these under the multiple choice question. Let's talk about the second type of question, that is multiple selection type of questions. So here in this type of question, we'll have to pick all the correct answers. So the correct answer will be mostly more than one option will be correct here. So we'll have to work on our theoretical knowledge, analytical knowledge, such as to answer some correct question under this section. Now let's move forward and talk about the NAT type of question, or the numerical aptitude type of question. So these type of questions are not so much asked in our English literature exam, but to make sure or to be prepared for, we have to focus on the metrics like questions like how many syllables are there in the poem, or how many syllables are in their particular word or line, how many lines are in the particular poem. So they can ask question like that. So we'll have to be prepared for to face all these type of question. There are also some other type of question like comprehensive question, where one on-scene passage will be there and we'll have to extract our answer based on our question. There will be question like relate a particular theory to a particular work. So we'll have to work all on our analytical and theoretical skills. Now let's talk about what our approach should be towards this exam. First, we have to know what our syllabus is, and if possible, please categorize from that syllabus which was your strong area, which was your weak area, and simultaneously focus on both the areas. Next, focus on some major author and their text. It doesn't mean you will not have to focus on the minor authors. Please focus on each author, but if you don't have much time, please try to focus on the major author and the text or the works related to their authors. Next, focus on the critical theories part, like the literary theory and criticism part, because they are mainly testing our analytical and the critical theory skills that we have. Next, please focus on the previous year question papers. Try to solve as many as of previous year question papers. Mostly in English literature, we have 4 year of previous year question paper. Try to solve this 4 year previous year question paper, so that you'll know about the difficulty level or what type of question you can expect in your this exam. So I'm going to start a previous year question paper series about this whole GATE exam. All the previous year question paper of the GATE exam, I'll discuss it after I upload this video. So please make sure you connect with me to solve all these previous year question papers, so that it will not become very much difficult when we'll be approaching our next exam. Next, please try to allocate your time to each section. Try to focus on each section and give each section a particular amount of time. The moment you will start practicing the previous year question paper, you will know what is your weak area, you will know what is your strong area, and according to that, you can allocate time that in exam you are okay, in exam I'm going to give a little bit of more time to this section because I am weak in this section. Okay, by following these methods, please make sure you pick a particular approach towards this exam. So please remember that GATE English literature exam is not only about the memorization of the facts. It's all about how we interpret our literature, or the in-depth understanding that we have regarding our literature subject. So with the correct strategy and the right amount of persistence and correct approach, we can definitely excel in this exam. So what are you guys waiting for? Please go and prepare a correct strategy, pick a correct approach towards this exam, and see that how you'll be able to crack this exam this year. So if you all like today's video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of doubt regarding any English literature exam, in which areas you should focus, or which writer you should read, you can ask me all about these things in the comment section below. I'll try to answer all your questions, and please get connected with with this channel, so that you'll be able to learn some new things. You'll be able to solve some previous question papers with the right technique and the right method, so that it is definitely going to help you all in future. So please connect with me, and I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, be healthy and keep studying, and all the best for all your English literature examinations.